Hi students, in previous video we have discussed about general circle equation and how to find center and radius. Now in this video we are discussing about if you know the end points of the diameter of the circle, then we have to find the circle equation. Okay, so this is the one point A of x1 comma y1. So this is the another point B of x2 comma y2. So these are the end points of the diameter. So then so we can easily find the circle equation by using one formula. So what is that formula? Okay, so we are getting the formula by some steps here. So what I am doing here, right? So this I am taking P of x comma y. This is the P of x comma y point on the circle. Okay, right. So this is the one line equation. AP is the one line and BP is also another line. So these two lines are perpendicular to each other or not? These two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So the midpoint of diameter is center of the circle C of h comma k. Okay, right. So observe here. So this line is perpendicular to this line, means AP is perpendicular to BP. Okay. So we know if two lines are perpendicular, then what is the condition in slope? So m1 into m2 is equal to -1. When you are using that condition, if two lines are perpendicular to each other. So this line is perpendicular to this line. So I am using the condition slope of AP into slope of BP we are getting is equal to -1. So what is the formula for slope? Already we know. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 by using that formula. So we can get slope of AP and BP also. So slope of AP. So AP. So x2 minus, sorry, y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into so BP. So next y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is x minus x2 is equal to -1. So y minus y1 into y minus y2, sorry, y2. So I am transferring these two values to the right side. So minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. So this is the minus. If you transfer to the left side, it is going to be plus. So what do you get here? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus, so y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is the circle equation. So this is the circle equation. When we are using the circle equation, if you know the end points of the diameter, then substitute that end points in this formula, we are getting circle equation. Are you understood? So the equation of circle whose end points of the diameters, end points of diameter are A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2 is what is the formula? So x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this the circle equation of circle. Next note. So now observe in the diagram, observe here. So this is the circle equation. So observe in the diagram. So this is the circle. So this is the center and this is the radius. So the center h comma k is the midpoint of AB. So let us take it note as center of circle is equal to midpoint of A comma B, midpoint of A comma B. So what is the formula here? C of h comma k is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So center of circle is equal to midpoint of A comma B. These are the 2 points, the midpoint of A comma B. Next problem, find the equation of the circle for which the points given below are the end points of the diameter. So these are the given points, these are the end points of the diameter. So solution, how to find the circle equation. So let A of 1 comma 2 and B of 4 comma 6, these are the 2 points, end points of the diameter. I am taking it is like x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So what is the formula? Equation of circle whose end points of diameter are A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2 is so what is the formula here? Equation of circle. So what is the formula here? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So substitute these 2 points in this formula. So we will get here x minus x1, next x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Multiply here. So x into x, x square minus x so multiply here, x into x, x square minus 4x, next take minus 1 into x, minus into minus plus 1 into 4, 4, next plus y into y, y square, y into minus 6, minus 6y, so minus 2 into y, minus 2y, next minus into minus plus 12 is equal to 0. So therefore we get here x square plus y square, so minus 4x minus x minus 5x, next minus 6y minus 2y, so minus 8y, so 4 plus 12 that is 16 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle. The next problem, find the other end of the diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is equal to 0 if 1 and is 2 comma 3. So what are they given here? This is the given circle, okay. So these are the end points. So I am taking A of, so what are they given one end here? 2 comma 3. So we have to find another end of the diameter. So that is I am taking here x2 comma y2, okay, right. So already we know that. So center of the circle is the midpoint of AB, na? So center of C is midpoint of A comma B. So we have to use that formula. We can solve this problem, okay, right. Solution. So given circle equation, what is that here? x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is equal to 0. So compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So we get here 2g is equal to minus 8, 2f is equal to, we get here minus 8, and c is equal to 27. So g is equal to minus 4. So 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. So f is also minus 4. So what are you getting here? Center c is equal to minus g comma minus f. This is the formula. So c is equal to, so minus into minus plus 4 upper minus f. So f value is minus 4, minus into minus plus, that is. So we got here center. So what is the formula here? The center is equal to the midpoint of a comma b, na? Okay. So the condition here. Center C is equal to midpoint of AB. Center, what is center here? 4 comma 4 is equal to midpoint formula. So midpoint of a comma b. So what do you get here? So x1 plus x2 by 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2. Next y1 plus y2 by 2. So equating the coordinates, equating the to x coordinate, equating the x coordinate and equating y coordinate is equal to y coordinate. So we will get here 4 is equal to 2 plus x2 by 2. Next 4 is equal to 3 plus y2 by 2. So 2 transfer to the left side. So 2 into 4 8. So is equal we will get here 2 plus x2. So transfer to the left side. So 8 minus 2 is equal to x2. Therefore x2 is equal to 6. Next transfer to the left side, it is multiplying. So 4 into 2 8 is equal to 3 plus y2. So 8 minus 3 is equal to y2. Therefore y2 is equal to 5. So therefore other end is equal to 6 comma 5.